let's change up this environment a little bit. Right in the comfort of my own home. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. I am Charlie Zena, and as you guys can probably see by the title of the video, I use baby oil, like Johnson's baby oil, to pre-poo my hair. So if you're not familiar with pre-poo is, essentially you oil and moisturize your hair before you wash it, because the shampoo can really strip your hair of its natural oils. I'm just gonna walk you through how I pre-poo my hair with the baby oil and the steps that I took after to get it to look like this. So enough about that, let's just get into the video. So I'm gonna section my hair into 4 sections. Alright, so whenever you put a pre-poo in your hair, you want to kind of, well, I want it to be moisturized or have just a little bit of water in it. So I'm going to spray my hair. I'm going to wet it a little bit. As always, I always do. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna go in with the Johnson's baby oil. I like that this has no parabens in it, so put some in my hands. And ooh, and baby oil is actually really light, so it's not actually a heavy oil. It's very light, so that's what I like about this. Just want to make sure I'm getting those ends. Finger detangle. My ends are really dry. So I'll also show you guys when I'm washing it out, because that will really tell like how it was able to basically condition and moisturize my hair, and if it did well or not. You know, we want to see if this actually works. Alright you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my hair, and then I'll be back to show you guys how I wash it out. Alright, so I just put the baby oil throughout all these twists. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give myself a little scalp massage, because apparently that helps your hair grow, you know, massage your scalp, stimulate blood circulation, the whole 9 yards. So we're just gonna do that. And before I do that, I'm gonna put just a little bit more baby oil on my hands because that's what I'm using to pre-poo my hair. Whew. All right, that was pretty relaxing. I'm not gonna lie, I was about to fall asleep there. You see, I closed my eyes and everything. All right, so just like any pre-poo, you want to make sure these oils are penetrating through your hair really well, because otherwise, you know, you miss the whole point of doing what you just did. And I feel like I just want more baby oil. Let's just put more. I feel like my editors need it though. They really need it. They do. All right, let's take this plastic cap. I'm going to let this sit for maybe 25 to 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna bring you guys with me to see what it looks like as I'm rinsing it out my hair. So I'm just rinsing the baby oil out of my hair right now. So I'm just gonna drench my hair with water. And then I'm gonna go on with the Bounce Back shampoo. This is from the brand Raw Sugar. I'm just making sure I'm getting it all throughout my scalp and really making sure my scalp is cleansed and bringing the rest of the shampoo down the shaft of my hair. And then once I get my entire head, I am going to rinse this out. Next, I'm going to go in with the Avocado Cream Conditioner. I love this conditioner. I've been using it for so long. It's very, very inexpensive. It costs like $2 or probably even $1. Okay, so as I'm putting this conditioner in my hair, I'm also going to be finger detangling just to get out any of the knots that may be in my hair and making sure that the conditioner is on my ends as well. So I'm going to just move on to the other side now, making sure I'm detangling, seeing if I find any knots. I get a lot of knots in the middle of my head, so I'm going to be really focusing on that part for detangling. Wow, I'm loving how my hair turned out here. It looks so good, you guys. It looks very, very nice. I love it. Alright, so I'll be back. And I just rinsed out this conditioner. I had it in my hair for about 5 minutes. Moving on, I'm going to put in this leave-in conditioner. So I also section my hair into 2 parts so that I can get this leave-in conditioner all throughout my hair. That is the Care leave-in conditioner. So making sure that product also gets to my ends, and that's what I'm gonna do for now in the shower. So that's about it. I'm going to dry off my face and hop out the shower. Alright, so I just got out of the shower. You guys saw all that. I actually just put on a face mask and did like my whole skincare routine. So my face is feeling really good right now, I will have to say. I still have my hair very wet with leave-in conditioner. So this is the main test. Did that baby oil pre-poo actually work? I don't know. Let's take a look at what my curls are looking like first. Does my hair look revived? Does it look healthy? What do you guys think? And then let's see. I would say my curls, they actually look really nice. And I'm also going to point out that before I did this pre-poo, my hair was blow dry. I like what it looks like. Alright, so let's style this. I am going to section it off for this style. Alright, so same way, I'm just going to show you guys the products that I'm using. I'm going to put 2 more products in my hair because I already put the leave-in conditioner in while I was in the shower. So I'm going to do the Coconut and Hibiscus Hold and Shine Moisture Mist from Shea Moisture. And then I'm also going to add the Dark and Lovely Natural Moisture Lock. So this is the Loc method. Someone actually gave this to me. So I'm just gonna do braids. I'm gonna do a braid out. I don't want them to be too small. Like I did them before and they were like kind of small. So this time, I'm not gonna do as many. My hair actually does feel super soft and it's bouncy. So you see that? It bounces back. Boop. Look at that, you guys. Look at my hair. This is with only the leave-in conditioner in it. I actually really like what that baby oil did to my hair. My ends look pretty good, so I actually clipped them in the last video that I put. I'm gonna link the video where I clipped my ends here. But if you guys take a look, I would say the baby oil did a really good job with reviving my hair. Look at my curls. They're so nice. Okay, I'm excited. Will I use this again? Will I use it again? I think I would use it every once in a while, maybe like once every couple of months. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna braid up the rest of my hair, and then I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow or maybe the next day, depending on how long I want to keep the braids in, when it's time to take these down, and we will see what it looks like then. Alright, so it's the next day and I'm ready to take these braids down. Right off the bat, you guys, I already noticed that my hair looks a lot shorter because I trimmed my hair about a week ago. If you want to check that out, I'm gonna link it down below. Alright, so I have what, 2 more braids to take out. Pro tip, when you're like taking out twists or braids from like a braid out or twist out, make sure you use your fingertips. Don't use your fingernails. My nails are really short, but try your best to use your fingertips to undo it, and don't use your nails. Alright, so this is basically what my hair looks like after I take out my braids before I separate it. I'm gonna do a little spin around. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like after I just separated it a little bit. I could pick it out, but I'm not necessarily looking for any more volume in my hair right now. I just feel a little bit weird because I did a rice water treatment in my hair and then like 2 weeks later I cut it. So I do see I have some frizz going on over here. I think it was actually one braid that I forgot to put some product in it. But I like it. I think it looks good. I'm not gonna lie, it's cute or whatever. Alright, so let's turn around so you guys can see the back. that's the look, you guys. Let me know in the comment section if you want to try putting baby oil as a pre-poo in your hair, or if you're like, no sis, you should have not done that. Is it a good routine? Do you like how it came out? Let me know. Let a sister know, all right? If you got all the way to the end of the video and you still have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Be sure to click the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload. I'm going to be uploading new videos every Sunday, so you guys can also look forward to that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye-bye.